Hi students, welcome back to the class. Today I am going to explain the new topic, that is conduction of sap. Conduction of sap from the chapter the transport of food and minerals in plants. So this conduction of sap, one more name, the ascent of sap. Ascent of sap. What is mean by sap? So sap means very clearly the water absorbed by the plants. The water absorbed by the plant is called sap. Okay. The plant absorb water from where? From the root. Okay. So that it is a dilute solution. Water means it is a dilute solution that contain minerals also. So actually one plant need the water plus the minerals for their better growth. So here the conduction of sap means very simply this water and the minerals transporting or moving the root to the whole part of the plant. That means the lower area to the root system to shoot system. Okay, so very simply once again the conduction of sap, the meaning of sap, the water absorbed by the plant is called, the water absorbed by the plant is called sap. Okay, so I hope all of you know what is meant by sap. Okay, so here how to this sap transported? In my previous class I am already explained to you that vascular bonding, that means xylem and the phloem. So each one having the different functions. Xylem is also transport the water and the minerals from the root into whole part of the plant. Okay, so the xylem tissue, it including the four different type of cells, four different types of cells, tracheids, vessels, like this type of cells help to these minerals and the water from lower to higher, that means the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay, so that is given in the first paragraph. Okay, so here only discussed about the conduction of sap. Conduction meaning transporting the materials. Which type of materials? Sap, that means water and minerals. Okay, so one more name is called ascent of sap. Ascent of sap. So it is occur through tracheids and vessels of the xylem tissue. Okay, so this transportation of these materials, food and minerals, occur only it's possible in the sum of the forces applied or exerted in the plant. So let's see which type of forces given the plant. As a result, these materials how to move upward. Okay, so here there are few forces, few mechanisms given here. The first one, capillary force. Second one, root pressure. And third one, transpiration pull. Transpiration pull. And third, pressure. So according to this, the water and the minerals transported to the higher concentration, root region to shoot region. Let's see what is the importance of the capillary force. Okay, the capillary force means the one force applied to the root. Okay, according to this force, what happened? The sap is moving upward direction. Sap means water and minerals moving the root system to the shoot system. Okay, so here is given that one. The water rises up through a capillary tube with the help of the capillary force. Okay, which one is water? And the minerals rises up means moving upward through a capillary tube. Okay, so it is one of the cells present in the root, that is called capillary tube. Okay, so this move water or minerals want to move one place to another place, that need the one way, means one tube like structure. So that structure is called capillary tube. Okay, so this tube is need some of the force. According to this force, the minerals moving one place to other place. Okay, that force is called capillary force. Okay, second one, root pressure. Okay, root pressure. So the pressure developed in the root. For example, the higher concentration. So the shoot system always the very lower concentration of the water. So this water available only in the ground. So the plant root absorb the water and sending it to the above level. Above level means shoot region. The plant roots need some pressure to pull the water to upward direction. So that pressure is called root pressure. So this according to this pressure, the water and minerals move upward direction. Okay. So the second one, root pressure. Third one, transpiration. Transpiration pull. Okay. So first of all, you want to know what is meant by transpiration. I hope all of you know this topic, transpiration. In our previous year, we have learned the transpiration. Means in the daytime, the water lost the water from the leaf in the form of water vapor. Okay, the direct sunlight is also trying means given the light energy into the plant leaf. According to this one, water is also evaporated out to the atmosphere. So that process called transpiration. So the large means the top plants always that lose the huge amount of water in every time. So these plants need the huge amount of water for their surviving. So here the transpiration pool help to the plant. Transpiration pool help to the plant for the providing and distributing or transferring the water, the higher concentration to the lower concentration. Okay, so that plant needs the one pressure, one pull. Okay, that is called transpiration pull. So here is given to prevent the transpiration rate. Okay, so if always the plant is also sending the water vapor to the atmosphere. Okay, so as a result it loses the water. So in the help of the transpiration pool, the plant roots absorb the water and sending it to upward direction. As a result, that plant becomes survive properly. So that force is called the transpiration pool. Okay. So these are the main forces or some of the main process to transferring the water from the root to plant body. First one, capillary force. Second one, root pressure. Third one, transpiration pool. So here is also one turgor pressure. One absorbing the water in the plant cell. So what happens, that become the solid. Solid means bulged, turgid. Okay. So this turgid, what happens, this plant cell is that protoplasm. The protoplasm is also presses outside. Protoplasm presses outside. Force from the outside, that is called outside from the cell wall. So this force is called, this pressure is called turgor pressure. So I simply tell you, on the absorption of water, what happened, the plant cell become turgid. Turgid means bulging. So as a result, what happened, the protoplasm of the cell wall is also given the presses to the cell wall. So this pressure is called turgor pressure. Okay, so these are main important points of conduction of sap. So it's very simply, conduction of sap means conducting or transferring or transporting the water and minerals from the higher concentration to the lower concentration by some different process, some different forces. That force is given here and I am explained to you. So I hope all of you understood this topic. So I am concluding this topic. Will start and will give you the next topic in next my class. Thank you.